Alright, on this episode of Cooking with the Kowalskis, I'm going to be making some chili. So there's lots of different ways to make chili. I'm just going to show you my recipe. If you like it, you can try it out and hopefully enjoy. Alright, first ingredient we start with my chili is bacon. So you want to fry up the bacon first, and then you're going to take it out because you want it to be nice and crispy when you kind of add it into the chili at the end there. But I like to use the bacon fat to cook the hamburger in it as well. Just kind of gives a little more flavor and helps it from sticking to the pan. So start with a little bacon, crisp it up, and then we're going to add the hamburger, onions, and green pepper that I have chopped up right here. And we're just getting started. Here we go. Alright, bacon is crisped, and I always take one of the pieces and eat it myself as payment for cooking. Don't tell my wife. Alright, so once I did that, I added the hamburger, the peppers, the onions into the bacon grease there. Get that searing up nice. And then what we're going to do next is we need to season everything up. So I'll just kind of run through all the seasonings I'm going to put in here. Got the garlic salt, got a little garlic powder, got a little cumin, a little Mexican flavor, chili powder, some chili flakes just to make add a little kick to it, and then just some pepper and salt, and I think that's about it as far as some seasoning. So kind of just season all the meat and peppers and onions and let it cook down a little bit. Alright, next thing we're going to do is add some beans. I'm not a big fan of like the big chili beans, and I don't like tons of beans in my chili. So what I do like is just add a few of these baked beans, and this kind of sweetens it up because I like my chili a little sweet and spicy. So I'll add some of the baked beans and then some frozen tomatoes from our garden there, and that'll be the next step. Here's what it's looking like so far. Just got the meat and the peppers and onions all seasoned up and going there. Once all that's cooked, now I'm going to add the beans and tomatoes. Alright, we got the tomatoes and the beans added, and it's kind of cooking here. And then to finish it up, I'm going to add just a few pickled jalapenos just to add a little more flavor, nothing too spicy. And then we're going to add the bacon to finish it up, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, we got everything added to the chili, let it cook for a little while, and it is done. It's looking pretty good here. So now the taste test. Just kind of season it to however you need, and if you want it more soupy, you can add some V8 juice, but I kind of just put everything what I told you there, and try it out here. Got a little sweet, got a little spice, a lot of good flavor. Should be good to go. Literally took me about 10-15 minutes. Nice easy chili recipe. Try it out. Hopefully you enjoy.